A long time ago, there was lived a boy named Ronde in a village. He was very happy with his family, but his happiness could not last for long. Ronde and his fellow villagers faced a severe drought. They desperately waited for rains, but with no luck. All the crops, land, and even trees dried up. The cattle started dying. As there was no rain, the stream was drying up slowly. One night during a meet with the villagers, Ronde said, "Friends, we all have heard tales from our gardens about an underground river flowing through our villages. Why do not we dig us and see?" The villagers agreed and started digging. They dug for some days but gave up soon. However, kept on digging. When people told him to give up, he said, "God is helping and guiding my way." One day, when he had dug deep enough, Ronde saw water. His attitude of not giving up saved the whole village. Never give up so easily. Ronde advised all the villagers. Now they are never short of water. And whenever any problem arises, all the villagers came up together and find a solution. Tim was the strongest man in the town. When he played sports, he always won. He performed and exercised in the public park. He did this to show everyone how strong he was. Most people liked him, but one man did not. His name was Jack. Jack hated Tim. Jack was movie critic and the smartest man in the town. He could solve complex math problems, but no one cared. Jack wanted to be famous like Tim. One day there was an unusual event. A big storm came suddenly. Snow covered the town. No one could get out. They needed food. The people said wanted to be the hero. So they both went. Tim said, "You can't help because of your lack of strength." But Jack found some small passages under the snow. One of them led toward another town. That town had food. Because Tim was so big and strong, he almost could not fit inside. They walked until there was a block of ice in their way. Jack said, "We cannot get past it, but if you strike it, it might break." Tim knew that was probable. He broke it. When there were more ice-built blocks, Tim broke them. That made him tired. He could not walk anymore. Jack said, "Let's unite and support each other. I will get the food alone. You rest here." Jack came back with food. Tim could not remember which passages led home. He needed Jack to be his guide. The men became friends by working together. In town, people saw Jack with the food and cheered. They called Jack a hero. But Jack did not care. He was thinking of something else. He said to Tim, "I thought I was smart, but I learned a new term today, friendship." Once there was a poor boy who made a living by selling various objects from door to door. This was the way he earned money to pay for his school. One day, as he was walking from house to house as usual, he felt very hungry and weak. He felt that he could not walk even a few steps. He decided to ask for food at a house. He knocked on the door and was stunned to see a beautiful young girl open the door. With much hesitation, he asked the girl for a glass of water. The young girl understood his condition and offered him a huge glass of milk. With an astonished look, the boy drank the milk very slowly. "How much do I owe you for this milk?" he asked her. The girl replied, "I don't want any money for this.